everyone, I'm Chloe.
And this is Sean. Do you ever get bored with the same old routine? School, homework, repeat.
I know, right? But guess what? Crosby Scholars is here to shake things up. We're talking field trips, game nights with free food, and even awesome volunteer projects where you can make a difference and meet new people. Plus, you get to hang out with your friends and discover cool new interests with hands-on activities and guest speakers. Crosby Scholars is here to help you prepare for the future in a stress-free way. We take free trips to colleges,
Think awesome campuses and even cooler experiences.
and even have boot camps to help you ace your tests and impress your teachers. And the best part, Crosby Scholars is completely free. So how do you join the Crosby Scholars crew and unlock all this fun? It's easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Attend Crosby Scholars Academy each school year.
2. Complete and submit at least 2 hours of community service each year.
3. Avoid out-of-school suspension.
Sign up today.
Sign up today.
Sign up today.